In this video, we're going to have a look at these Nunet wireless outdoor Bluetooth speakers. It's pretty hot outside here. I'm in Arizona. I've got a couple fans going in the background, so hopefully that's not going to affect the audio too much. But these are some pretty cool looking outdoor Bluetooth speakers, and I'm really reviewing these and to give them to my wife. She really likes these Bluetooth speakers. So hopefully they'll turn out pretty nice. So we got a couple of hanging hooks. There's several ways to mount these. You can put them on a post, set them on a table, mount them on a wall, or use these hooks. So we've got the hooks. We've got a lot of things in this box. Here's one of our speakers. And they're a flame speaker, so they have a light in here that makes it look like a candle or a tiki torch flame. Put this on top of a post, mount it that way. Controls and speaker up here on the top. Of course, there's two of them in the package. Here's one of the hooks. Kind of like a shepherd's hook type deal. Put this on top of this post, and there's posts in here too. You can hang them on a post, so that's pretty cool. Here's a look at the posts. Looks like they come in a two-piece, maybe 18 inches total. It looks like it's about a 9-inch long post. Screw those two together. Then you can put your shepherd's hook on top. Something like that. And then this has a handle on top. You can hang the speakers. I'm probably just going to test them out and set them on the bench here and use them that way, but a lot of mounting options for these speakers. They've got some stake ends for those posts as well, and the post just screws into the end of the stake end, and you can pound this into the ground and mount them like that as well. Got a Bluetooth charge cord. Looks like it's a USB-A to a USB-C, and even a couple of hooks for hanging them as well. Some mounting hardware and another USB cord, so you can charge them both at the same time. Small instruction pamphlet, and then of course some instructions on how to operate the speakers. Alright, it says here in the instruction booklet, it's just a pamphlet, like a 3 or 4 page both sides pamphlet. It says flame lamp, nightlight, wireless speaker function. When using both two Bluetooth speakers, left and right, channels be separated to be on the box. Not really sure exactly what that means. Stereo output creates perfect sound. Notice, when using the single Bluetooth speaker, the left and right channels will be combined to the output. So when you're using them both, you've got left and right channels, and if you're only using one, it sounds like they'll both be combined in the one speaker, both the left and right channels. When you charge it, it shows a red light. The red light goes off once the lamp is fully charged, and they're IP65, dust-proof and waterproof. On the back, it shows you some of the options for mounting with the stakes, the poles, and the shepherd's hooks. Looks like it has a limited warranty, effective for 1 year from the date of the original consumer purchase. Here's a look in the manual of the technical parameters if you want to pause the video and have a closer look at all of that. So it shows here a charging port for your USB-C to a USB-A plug. And then on the top you've got a power on, plus and minus, the light, and then a pause. So let's try to power it on and see what we get. There's our flame. That's pretty cool. Push it again. It looks like we get a solid light on it. Let's try this one as well. Or off. So 3 modes on the light: off, flame, and solid. That's kind of cool. Okay, the instruction says on that light, turn it on, another tap of it, and it gets the night light, and then of course off. But supposedly you hold it down and you can adjust the intensity of the light. So you can turn that light up brighter or more dim. Looks like the intensity does not work for the flames. Flames is just flames, but when you have it on the nightlight, you can hold it and adjust the intensity. Brighter or more dim. Let's see how dim it will go. You hold it and it just cycles. That's about as dim as it goes there. That's kind of cool. There's a flicker on the video, but that's just because of the frame rate of the camera. It's not flickering in real time. So you just follow the instructions in the little pamphlet. You can easily pair this to your phone or something like that. I'm using my iPhone. They're NULED, but by Nunet. So I guess Nunet is the company and this is the name of the speakers. I'm not sure. Let's turn the lights on just for fun because I think they look really nice. So I'm in YouTube and I'm going to run through a few of their audio files, and I can only run these for a couple of seconds each so I don't get a copyright strike on music, but I just want to give you a sample of what the speakers sound like. I think they sound pretty darn good. They go pretty loud too without distortion. So let's just hit a couple of these samples and we'll listen to them. So really not too bad. Let's try another one here. American Horror Show. Let's try that one. Let's see what else we got here. Let's try another one from the Minions. Hopefully that'll give you an idea. I think they sound pretty darn good. They look pretty cool too. So if you're interested in these or want more information about them, I'll put an Amazon affiliate link in the description. You can go check them out. And we'll see you guys on the next video.